Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my next tutorial on Google Apps. In this tutorial we'll talk about different apps which are available on by Google. In the last tutorial you have already seen how we can turn or off different Google Apps services. There are some additional Google services also which you can turn on or turn off according to your organizational needs. There can be some users in your organization which belong to different organizational units. We have already discussed what organizational units are. So there may be some people, elite group of people who may need some additional Google services to be turned on for them. Like you can have Blogger, you can have Chrome management, Chrome Web Store, Google AdSense, Google AdWords, Analytics. These are basically needed by the webmasters. Google Developers Console will be needed by App Engine developers, and Google Plus and YouTube. These may be needed for branding of your company, which may be used by different higher level of people in your organization. So accordingly they can be put into respective organizational units, and you can turn on or off services for them. Let me turn on any of this service. So I do not have any sub organization here. The master setting for this organization is, I'll change it now. I'll apply the settings. So it may take up to 24 hours to propagate to all users. Turning off Blogger will be turned off. Any overridden settings will continue to be overridden. Like if you have some sub organizations, you can also define Blogger settings to be on for them and off for the parent organization. This is what it means, any overridden setting. Now you can turn off. So you see one selected service is turned off. Now I'll close this. So you can now view that Blogger is off for everyone in the organization, in the parent organization. Then similarly you can choose on for everyone, off, on for some organizations options, and accordingly you can modulate the settings depending on your organizational requirements. I'll off this service directly from here. So Chrome management is also off. Now I'll turn on for everyone. These settings take approximately 24 hours to propagate to all the users as the message is shown. So similarly you can define these services, additional Google services. Now there may be some marketplace apps which you can purchase from Google and add, or there may be some free apps which have been developed by some other organizations, and you can include it for your users to use them. You see, these are all the apps. You can go to respective submodules and you can sort these to get what you want. So these are some of the apps which are available on utility section. I'll install this app, continue. Now it is asking me to allow it. I'll accept. If you like to notify your users about this, then you can click on next, done. Now this app is installed. Similarly you can include other marketplace apps which are available here according to your requirements. This is on for everyone. I can also modulate it according to the settings as we saw in other Google apps and services. So marketplace apps are not developed by Google. but these are developed by different other organizations which deploy applications in Google App Engine by creating it through Google App Engine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. You can always like, subscribe to my videos and channel.